Hi everyone, this is Wizard1 back with another unboxing. I want to wish all my viewers a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2018. Today I am bringing you the unboxing of the newly released Canadian edition of Amazon Echo Dot 2nd Generation. With the Echo line's inaugural Canadian release at the beginning of December, they were all heavily discounted. However, the promotion seems to be over now and everything is back to what is regular or manufacturer pricing. The Echo Dot is the entry-level variant of the Echo line of smart speakers and now costs $69.99, followed by the regular Echo, which is the one I have here, which is the mid-range unit that offers better sound and a built-in subwoofer and tweeter for $129.99. And lastly, the Echo Plus for $199.99, which offers the same quality as the Echo, but also works as a smart home automation hub. The Echo line of devices came out around the same time as the new generation Google Home, as well as the Home Mini devices, and they basically have the same price points and functionality. But with the benefits Amazon Prime members are given, such as free unlimited access to Amazon Prime Music, versus the monthly subscription fees that Google charges for Google Play Music streaming, aligning with the Echo was a no-brainer for me. The audio library found for Amazon Unlimited is pretty good. I have most of the songs that I like to listen to, except this one was supposed to be Sky by Some Kind Wonderful, but I picked up the Drifters. But yeah, you can find most of the different sounds and songs that you probably would listen to, or at least I would listen to, so that's why it's a no-brainer for me. Okay, so let's get this unboxing started and open up the Echo Dot. Okay, so looking at the box itself, you have a description of some of the commands that the Echo Dot can handle. You have a list of the major Alexa partners printed on the side here. I chose the black version of the Dot, however there is also a white version available as well. As we saw on the Echo, there's just very easy to open. There's this little tab that you just pull on here and it just opens up. So that's that. So what we have here is the Echo itself, a quick start manual, as well as some basic commands that Alexa can pick up. And this is...
There is no incoming call.
Okay, sorry, it just picked up my talking. This is just some safety information. We have a relatively long micro USB cable here. As well as a 9-watt power adapter, which has an output of 1.8 amps. So this will actually be pretty good if you're going to be using it to charge your other devices. If, see, I already have a existing micro USB power station that has 1.8 amps, so I can use this one for other things. Looking at the device itself, we have the auxiliary out 3.5 millimeter cable port, and we have the micro USB port there. Actually, speaking of which, I don't see it coming with a auxiliary port. No, so one thing it doesn't come with, which I'm actually surprised with, is it doesn't come with a auxiliary port for this, but I guess because inside here there is only a 15 millimeter speaker here built into this, so the speaker quality might not be the greatest, so that's why you might want to pair it with a Bluetooth speaker and whatnot. Keep in mind that the Echo does not have a built-in battery, so it's going to be forever tethered to the power supply. In addition to being able to stream music from Prime Music, the Dot also has integration with streaming services such as Spotify, Radioplayer Canada, and TuneIn Radio. The latter of the two options I just listed are subscription-free services, so you have plenty of options straight out of the box. Many radio stations such as Kiss 92.5 here in Toronto have also created their own skills, which sort of work like apps to give you live streaming of their broadcasts. One thing I'm actually really excited to try out is Echo's multi-room playback feature, which allows multiple Echo devices to work together, allowing whole home music playback, similar to those of the super expensive Sonos speakers. Let me quickly just plug this in to let it set up. Okay, so I'll set this up after and show you guys. But for this, we have the 4 standard buttons on top instead of the 2 found on the first generation Echo. We have the microphone off button, which is right here. You can mute it so that Alexa doesn't pick up anything. You have the volume up and down buttons, as well as the action button, which would be used to toggle Alexa. One thing that might give fellow Canadians some problem is for the time being is the fact that Alexa only supports English commands at the moment. I'm sure they'll find French and eventually have it there, but for the time being, it's going to be a wait and see approach. So there is an LED light strip that encircles the top of the Echo Dot, which lights up whenever it wakes up or it connects to the cloud. Under the light strip, there are, I believe, 7 speaker ports. So there's the one in the center, plus ones throughout the grill here. And this is what they call beamforming technology for enhanced noise cancellation, which allows the Echo Dot to take and understand commands from across the room, even while music is also playing. After having my regular Echo for about a month, I can tell you that the beamforming works really, really well. I could be blasting music in the kitchen and I can yell at Alexa upstairs from my bedroom, and it will actually pick up my voice and understand what I'm telling it to do. Okay, so another quick demo I'm going to do is how to set it up. Okay, to set this up, you just press set up new device, choose Echo Dot, choose the language, so I'm choosing Canada English, to continue. So now I have to connect to Wi-Fi, so that's that. So I have to manually connect to it, so I just go into my Wi-Fi here and I should see it somewhere right there. I see it up top here, I connect to it.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
Okay, so I'm connected to it now. So we'll go to continue. Connect to my network, enter my password. Done. So now it's connected. I think it's still yellow for some reason. So you get the choice of which version of audio you want to use. We'll say just use it as is, so no speaker. You can skip that. Okay, so now that the orange light is completely turned off and is completely paired now to my system, it should remember all my smart home controls already. So if I tell it to do some stuff, it should do it automatically. So Alexa, turn on living room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on kitchen light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off indoor lights.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, you can see that it's pretty responsive. In terms of music, let's see what the sound quality is like that the 15mm speaker gives out. Alexa, play some classical music.
Here's a station for classical music, Pop Classical, from Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. So you can see that it's pretty responsive. I can be playing music and speaking to it, and it still does isolate my voice and take control. Okay, I'll be back in about a week or so and bring you the full review of the Echo Dot. Until then, thanks for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and you'll receive updates whenever new videos are posted. This has been Wizard One with the first look of the Amazon Echo Dot. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye to everyone, Alexa.
Bye for now.